Hello and welcome to my channel Asian Recipes. Today I'll be sharing a tofu dish called Mapo tofu. This is a classic Sichuan Chinese dish. The sauce is spicy, savoury, sweet and tangy, which pairs very well with tofu. So today I want to share a recipe that you can easily make it at home and taste just like those served at the restaurant. First, let's prepare the seasoning. Here I have chili bean sauce, known as toban-djan. This is the main sauce that will give it the distinctive Mapo tofu taste. Add 2 tablespoons. Also add 2 tablespoons of chili oil to make it spicy. You can use any chili oil you like. 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns. They give a nice peppery, floury fragrance to the dish. First, lightly toast them until fragrant. Then coarsely grind the Sichuan peppercorns. One cube of fermented beancurd. Other recipes do not add this, but I find it adds more flavor to the dish. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce and some sugar. Now that the seasoning is ready, let's prepare the other ingredients. 2 spring onions cut into cubes. 100 grams minced meat. You can use pork or chicken. In this video, I'm using Japanese pressed tofu, but you can also use smooth tofu. The pressed tofu will hold its shape better, though it's not as smooth tofu. So it's your choice on which one to use. Remove any excess water and rinse clean. I'm using 2 packets of tofu for this recipe. You can halve the recipe if you like. Cut the tofu into small cubes. Once all the ingredients are prepared, let's fry the ingredients. When the wok is hot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the garlic. On medium heat, fry until fragrant. Then add the minced meat. Fry until cooked. Add the crushed Sichuan peppercorns, toban-djan, chili oil, fermented beancurd. Then fry until fragrant. Add the tofu, light soy sauce, and pinch of sugar. Then add spring onions. Toss a few times. That's it, it's that easy. I hope you try this recipe. Everyone in my family loves it. Do subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.